guys, finally here. You see Mr. Rogers.
I got this thing right there.
Oh, well, let me go show you this then first. Bam. Fred. That's his name was Fred.
I didn't know his real name.
Well, his name was up there, Fred.
Right.
His name is Mr. Rogers. Mister's your first name, man.
Right.
But I can tell you, one thing, boy, I always thought was something weird about him, though, man. Like, he was a pedophile or something, but I don't know. I think he might just be a serial killer.
That.
Something. But, yeah, you come on up through here, and they say they play some Mr. Rogers quotes, like, inside this thing right here. Some of the quotes, I think they said. Oh, yeah, you hear it? I don't know if y'all can hear that. Hear it? Yeah, they got a little speaker right there. He's singing.
But I'm the only one after me. You know?
I know. I met one fan here.
What's up with everybody? You already know what it is. You got comedian be funny. Just one comedian over there think a joke, but I can make it funny for you. Hey, what you want to tell the people? Where you from, man?
I have been living here in Pittsburgh for 35 years, and I'm a diehard Cincinnati Bengals fan.
Cincinnati.
I got my little Icky words, man. I take my
Hey.
Shout out Icky. Shout out Icky. I'm going to tag him to this too, though, man.
Oh,
Yes. Give me a hoo-day, baby. Hoo-day.
Hooday!
Yay.
All the way up Pittsburgh, man. See, we got fans here. Much love. We right across from the stadium, too, though.
That's
Yes,
right.
sir.
That
Much
Bengals
love.
love is everywhere, brother.
Yes, right across the street. Yes.
Yeah, but right here on the river, though, you come see Mr. Rogers, though, the little thing right here. It's a nice little thing. You can take pictures and stuff. He's right there. High Stadium right there. Get some footage of that, though. But yeah, we about to go somewhere else, though. Show y'all where we going. Yeah, Pittsburgh, baby.
Damn.
I think where we going is somewhere over there, or nope, it's right there.
What'd you see?
The lift,
Where?
straight across from me. We going on that and take us up there. Look straight across.
Oh, I see it. Yes.
Yeah,
That's
what?
a bridge.